welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Now we'll start with the next poem. The name of the poem is Animals. The poet of this poem is Walt Whitman. Now, as it shows, the name of the poem is Animals. So now what the poet want to say? The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans when whom he finds complicated and false. Now here what the poet is sharing with us, what experience he is sharing with us, that he feels more comfortable and more homely with the animals rather than being with the human beings. He finds the animals are more better as compared to the human beings. He finds human beings as more complicated and false. Now, the false in sense which they are lying, right? The poet Walt Whitman counts the human beings as a cheater, or they are always false. They just do wrong things rather than the animals. The animals are true. Whatever they are going to do, they are going to do it in the pure form. They are not going to cheat anyone just like the human beings. They are not going to change the color. If there is the chameleon who is changing the color, but that is its nature. But you don't know when the human being will change its color. As per the need, as per the necessity, human beings keep on changing their colors. So that's why the poet feels that the animals are more true or better as compared to the human beings. So now let's go stanza wise, line wise explanation of the poem. First stanza. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self contained. I stand and look at them and long and long. Now, what he is saying that I think I could turn and live with animals. This is the wish of the poet. He is wishing that he could turn and live along with the animals. He wants to live with the animals. What is the reason why he wants to live? That they are so placid. Placid means very calm and peaceful. They are very calm and peaceful and self contained. Self contained means satisfied. They are satisfied. Whatever the thing they are getting, they are satisfied with that. So I stand and look at them long and long. I just stand still and I keep on looking at them for the long time. I just keep on observing that the way they behave, the way they treat the other animals, or just he keeps on comparing the human beings and the animals. So that is the reason he is observing the animals. He is standing and looking at the animals for long and long time.